Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. I have the X Sense and is a home security system that I got here to check out, and I want to show you guys all the different pieces and parts it comes with. So it comes with this base station, which basically you just plug in to the wall. It comes with a keypad, and it comes with a motion sensor, which I actually have hung up, and it comes with a door chime that when it opens and closes, you'll get a notification. So you can see that already works. So I've kind of got it set up so that it comes with this app that is an iPhone app. I'm guessing they have ones for other ones too. But you can see I have my devices on here. Actually, it comes with 2 of these door sensors, so I can actually put one on my front door and one on my balcony door. So for me, because I'm in an apartment, this is everything I would need for it. It's got a motion sensor, it's got door and entry sensors, keypad, base station. You saw it already kind of worked, and setting it up was so easy. I just created the account. I thought it was gonna be hard, so I wanted to set it up ahead of time, but it really wasn't. It took me maybe max 5 minutes. I plugged it in and then held the button on the back for 5 seconds. This thing here found it and then connected it, and then I went and added the next thing. And then on these here, it had a little button on the back where the battery goes, and I had to push it twice, and it found it. This one here, same thing, push it twice, it found it. That one there, I don't remember if I pushed it twice or what. I think it was probably the same thing for the motion sensor. But it's got all the different pieces and parts, and it seems to work pretty good. So, I mean, it's giving me my notifications here when I open my thing here, and then if I type in my code, I can, well, I already have it unset, but you can set it and unset it, and it's got all the different alarms and things like that. I think you can push an emergency one here that'll just start it. I don't want to do that. I'm in an apartment, so the goal is to not use it as much as possible. But you can control different things here. You can disarm it and arm it. Oops, I haven't even done it yet, really, but I can arm it. Here
Home
now.
mode ready.
So now
System armed.
So now we're armed, and now if this thing opens or something else, or the motion sensor goes off or whatever, it's gonna set it off. But I'll do it here for a second. We'll see. So there, I opened it up, and now, well, it says it's in. Oh, I'm in home mode. I want to be away mode. Let me try that again. Home mode means it's
Away mode ready.
Okay.
System armed.
So now let's see what happens if I do that. And the alarm goes off. And then I can push in my code, or I can push.
Alarm off.
I can push in my code and it'll turn it off. What do I do here? Okay, so security alarm's triggered. It gives you notifications. So if you're out somewhere, you'll get the notification on your phone. So pretty cool. You can set up a panic alarm. You got the history of what happened here. It says security mode triggered, door window closed. It gives you all the information, and then my account information if I wanted to manage my homes and stuff. So pretty cool. I like this alarm system. Very cool. Thumbs up. Super easy to use.